what's your hobbies? Like
Yeah,
any game, cricket,
yeah,
badminton?
yeah, yeah. My hobbies, you can say that my hobbies are playing kabaddi and travel here and they are speaking English with people. Yes.
Okay. Do you have friends also? Friends.
Yeah, yeah,
Friends,
I have
friends.
friends. Oh,
How
friends.
many you
Yeah,
have?
a lot of friends. Yes. In my village, I have a lot of friends. Every day I play with them.
And who is your best friend?
Yeah, you can say that all the friends are same. Yeah, how are you, ma'am?
I'm very good after watching your face.
Okay, yes, yes. And
Okay.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and meeting first time. That's why I think that we should tell about ourselves. So please tell me about yourself. After that, I will tell about myself. Yeah.
Okay, okay, it's good. I am Tanya and I am joining you from Rajasthan. I am a homemaker. I have also a daughter just like you.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Yeah,
And
yeah.
I have started my YouTube channel just for watching my videos and rectifying my
Mm.
mistakes. That's all
Yeah, yeah.
about. Now
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
your.
Yeah, yeah. My name is Parsi Hamrom. I read in class 7 and my district name is Purulia. It belongs to West Bengal state. We are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. My hobbies are playing kabaddi, reading books, travel here and there, speaking English with people. That's all about me.
But your English is very nice. Are
Yeah,
you
yeah.
reading, studying in English medium school?
No. I don't study any English medium school. Also, I don't study any English station. Just I am learning this language at my home. And sometimes also my father is supporting me.
Mm-hmm. And now you are watching some English content from YouTube.
Yeah, yeah. Now I am watching. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Have you created your channel also?
No, I have no any YouTube channel. Yes.
Okay. How many sessions you are taking in a whole day?
Yeah. Please tell.
I'm saying how many conversation you are taking in a whole day.
Yeah. You can say that I took like around seven, eight, seven, eight conversation. Yeah, I took.
7 conversations.
Yeah, seven, eight. You can say.
For improving your speaking skills, any extra efforts you are putting
Yes.
for improving your speaking skills? Any extra effort, like you are listening some podcast or reading some English storybooks? What kind of
Yeah,
content you are consuming?
yeah. Every day I record me, and when you can say when I complete recording, after that I watch that am I mistaking or not, and what am I mistaking, I solve that. And you can say that every day I read story books and I am listening for improving my spoken English, and also every day I'm trying to talk with people. Yes, just I'm practicing like this. Yes.
Okay. So in your sixth, I think you are in 7th grade. Okay. So you have so many subjects. Which subject is your favorite subject?
Yeah, you can say that my all subject is favorite. All subject are favorite. You can say.
Okay, all subjects are favorite.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, and what's your hobbies? Like
yeah,
any game, cricket,
yeah,
badminton?
yeah, yeah. My hobbies, you can say that my hobbies are playing kabaddi and travel here and they are speaking English with people. Yes.
Okay. Do you have friends also? Friends,
Yeah, yeah.
friends,
I have
friends.
friends. Oh,
How
friends.
many you
Yeah,
have?
a lot of friends. Yes. In my village, I have a lot of friends. Every day I play with them.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. And who is your best friend?
Yeah, you can say that all the friends are same.
All the same.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
tell me some good qualities of your friends.
Yes.
Good qualities which always attract you. Like friends should be honest. There are so many good qualities, na?
Yes, yes. I can't get you properly. Please tell again.
Okay, I'm saying in a good
Yes.
friend there should be so many qualities. Like he should be loyal, he should be supportive nature. So, in your opinion, which qualities are important for being a good friend?
Yeah, you can say that who you can say that who all the time helps you, who all the time helps you, and also you can say that who stands all the time near you. Like this friend I like, and you can say that like who friends also you can say helps all the people.
Okay, okay. In your opinion, friend should be helpful in nature, and he should be loyal, and he should be
Yeah, yeah.
always, near around you. When you need your friend,
Yes,
he should be always present with you.
yes, yes, yes. You are right, ma'am. Definitely. And
Okay.
you can speak very fluently. Please tell me, how did you learn?
I learned this language just only doing practice, everyday practice.
Oh, are you practicing nowadays also?
Yes,
Are you?
every day I'm doing practice.
Yes, yes, yes. And are you teacher?
No, I'm not a teacher. I'm a homemaker.
Oh, yes, yes. And are you living in village?
No, no, I'm not living in a village. I'm living in a city.
Oh, city. What is your city name?
My city name is Jaipur.
Jaipur. Yeah, I know Jaipur, but I didn't go. Yes. Yeah.
What do you know about Jaipur? Tell
Yes.
me. I'm
Yeah,
saying
I
that
have.
you. Hmm. Yes,
Um,
yes.
you can say that I have listened to Jaipur, but yes.
Okay, you have listened.
Yeah, only I have listened, but I don't know about that Jaipur. Yeah.
Yeah, it is also called Pink City because old city is totally in pink color. That is the
Yes.
reason it's called Pink City. Yes, and it is the
Yes.
capital city of Rajasthan. And now, not now, yes, now Rajasthan is a big state of India. Do you know?
Oh no, I don't know.
Now it's a big state of India.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, big. Oh, yes. Yeah.
Tell me
And
something about your
yes,
studies, about your hobbies, about your likes and dislikes.
yeah, yeah. You can say that I like to live in a village because in village you can say that I can see a lot of trees, also bird, and when birds fly, you can say that I feel very happy watching them. And you can say that you and you, in village you can say you are able to see that many people play in village here. And
Hmm.
you can say that people are not playing on the field, but when I was childhood and they were playing on the field, but nowadays I think many people are running here. Yes, can say you can say mobile. Yes, they are watching all the time mobile, and they are playing many types of game on the mobile. But nowadays people are not playing on the field. Yes. But
Hmm.
in my village, that my friends play.
Hmm. Do you also like mobile games, online games?
No, I don't like. Yeah.
Do you think we are unnecessary? We are playing online games. It is not good.
Yeah, yeah, it is not good.
Some
Yeah.
other things. Yes. Because when we are continuously watching these kind of games, it's not good for our mental health. There are so many
Yeah.
bad games. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yeah,
Mhm.
and you can say that
And,
even I play with my friends on the field. Yeah,
mm-hmm. When you will become very young, then what kind of profession you want to pursue? Like you want to become a teacher or scientist or engineer?
yeah. I want to become teacher. Yeah,
Why you have chosen this profession?
yeah. Because our country has many literate people. That's why I want to teach them. Therefore, I want to become teacher.
Okay, because you
Yeah,
like this profession and you want to become teacher, and after this you can teach all the students.
yeah. I feel like teaching them. Yeah, who is stupid like this. Yeah, yeah,
Okay. So any special thing if you want, you can tell us. Any
yeah, yeah,
any special thing.
yeah, yeah. Please, would you tell that how can I improve my preposition? Yeah, all the
Preposition.
hey, I get a start all the time. Yes.
You should do everyday practice, and you should use that preposition in your sentences every day. After that, you can improve. It's a simple way to learning any language.
Oh, yes. I will do. Yeah.
Yes.
And tell your English journey because I want to know. Yeah.
Okay, my English journey. I have
Yes.
started my channel, I think 8 months ago,
Yeah.
just for watching my, mistakes.
Yes.
And after that, seriously, I'm doing conversation every day,
Oh, yeah.
because
That's
not
great.
reading is also important, but
Yeah,
listening and practice is also important.
yes.
Yes. Are you also doing writing work?
Yes. Yeah, I do. Sometime I do, but every day not. Not every day. Sometime I do.
What you write in your diary, like everyday routine or any special thing, like you have celebrated someone birthday, some special thing. What you write in your diary?
Yeah, I write like about myself, and you can say that I describe my village, and you can say that many types of like a story also.
And yep, also you are using for speaking English apart from
Yeah,
this. Mm-hmm.
yes. Yeah, I am using every day. I'm talking with people, and just I'm trying, but you can see that I don't have much time.
Mm-hmm. Who told you that you can use these apps for improving your communication skills? In
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can say that when I was watching a video. In this video, you can say they told that which application you can find a lot of friends, and also they were telling that if you will download Skype application, you can find a lot of friends, and also you can speak with them in English language. That's why also at once I downloaded, and now I can find a lot of friends, also I can speak with them.
mm-hmm. And how many children of your village are speaking English right now? Like you are speaking English very, in a very good way. So tell me, please.
Yeah, I'm just trying, I don't know. Yeah, and you can say that in my village I didn't see that who is speaking.
You are the
Yeah.
only one who is speaking English.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I didn't notice also. I didn't see that who is speaking. Yeah, I didn't see who speaks in English language. But I
Your
don't
friend
think I practice just myself. Yeah.
in your village, anyone ask how you improved your English? Any
No,
friend?
no, no, no. In my village, no any people that who asked me that how are you improving your English language. Yeah. I think that they don't know that I can speak. Yeah.
Okay, you never reveal the secret that you are very fluent in English.
Yeah, just I don't know that am I fluent or not. And also
Mm-hmm.
I didn't talk of them.
When you are with your family members or relatives, that time you are speaking Bengali, I think.
No, you can say that when I go to school, and in school you can say that I speak in Bengal language with my friends. But in my village I only use my mother tongue. My mother tongue is Santali. Do you know Santali language?
I have heard about Santhali language, but I don't know how to speak.
Yeah. And you can see in my district many people told me that Santal language is really very hard. But you can say that listening. You can say listening. By listening, I could learn this language. Yeah, Santali language. You can say.
This language is spoken in some parts of Jharkhand. So I know
Oh,
they always mostly speaking in Santhali.
oh, yeah.
Yes. I have, read this language about this language in the books.
Oh, you read.
Yes, that people are
Oh,
speaking Santhali. So I know, yeah, there is a language also Santhali language.
oh, and what is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Hindi,
Oh, Hindi. I know Hindi. Yeah.
because Hindi is, you can
Sometimes
say.
also I.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
Yeah.
go ahead.
Yeah. You can say I also use Hindi language sometimes, but
Mm.
mostly I that tongue. Yeah.
Because widely in my area and some other areas, Hindi is also speaking, so much. That's why Hindi is our
Oh,
mother tongue.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
And the second language, you can say English. It is spoken, worldwide, and it is a global language. So that's
Yeah,
the reason we are also, learning English. How can we communicate with other peoples all around the world?
yeah.
And if
Yeah,
you are, very fluent in English, after that you can get so many opportunities.
oh, just I don't know that am I fluent or not.
You are very
Just
good in
I
English,
know.
and you are doing continue practice. Definitely, you will become a
Yeah.
very good fluent speaker.
Yeah, thanks. I will practice. And I think it is not, you can say that it is a long process and we have to keep practicing it. Yeah. Am
Yes,
I
it
right?
is long process. If someone is saying that you will be fluent in 6 months, 1 year, no, it's not possible. If you are, if your schooling is in English medium school, okay, and very
Yeah.
reputed school, that time it can be possible. But your background is Hindi, okay,
Yeah.
that time yes,
Yeah.
it will take time.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you are right. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, please tell me what kinds of difficulty did you face to practice?
Sometimes I forget some word.
Oh, yes. I also face like this sometime.
But yes, if we are doing continuously continue practice with our co-learners, I think it will be
Yeah,
resolved. After some time, it
yeah,
will, yes.
yes.
And it is very obvious because English is not our mother tongue, it's a second language for us.
Yeah.
But yes, we
And,
should enjoy this language and we should do more and more conversation.
yeah, you are right. And
Any
you can say that, yeah, yeah, yes.
any other question if you have, then you can ask. Other we will wind up this session.
Yeah. And I think that you have YouTube channel, yes?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
What is your YouTube channel name? What is your name of YouTube channel?
And I will send the video link. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yes.
that you can find my channel.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
So I
Yeah.
think you enjoyed this session and I also enjoyed your conversation.
Yeah, me
Okay.
too also.
Till then,
Also,
bye. Have a
yeah,
nice
bye bye.
day.
Yeah, we will connect another time. Yes.
Okay. We will connect. Okay. Bye bye.
Yeah. Yes, bye bye, ma'am.